Guys, welcome back to the Cotton channel. Today we'll be learning how to change the Spinfit customized ear tips into the Airpods. So here I got with me is a CP1025 Spinfit customized ear tip. It is specifically designed for AirPods Pro. So let's start by removing this. So pro tip number one, there's only one pro tip. So most people will remove it this way. So this is how I remove it as well. And I realized that they actually designed it to be removed this way. You just put your finger at the back and then you just push over here and it will come up. It will slide out easily. Things that you should know, right? I mean, things that you didn't know. So we want to start by removing this. So what you can do is actually you can just do like this and then you just pull it off and then it will just come right off. I think most people know how to do this. Okay, so the Spinfit ear tip, what you want to do is you need to install the adapter first, and this one will take a bit of effort. So this part, you just want to fit it according to the size. You just push it in. It will take some effort for you to install this because the first week of me trying to install this really take a lot of effort, a lot of hassle, and then you want to do this, and then you want to tilt it at an angle, like you go in from one side and then put it on this side and it's on. So the same thing as the another side. You just want to go in one side. It's actually harder for me to put it on the right side. Somehow one side is harder than the another. And it's in. Maybe because it's loose, because I've been using this for like many months now. So to remove this, it's also very easy. So I used to like pull this off and then it got very messy, but actually there's a notch here. There's a dot over here. You can actually put your fingernail over here and just remove it that way if you want to compare it with the original one back and forth, because I did that. Like I keep removing it and then changing it, removing it, changing it, and removing the silicone part is not easy. So now you know you can actually remove it that way. So we are done. So I've actually also made another video reviewing this customized ear tip as well. You can check on the link in the description below or on the end screen. So I hope you guys like this video, and please do subscribe on this video and hit on the notification bell button, and please do like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video again. Bye bye.